Okay, hi again. This is Dustin from Guys with Games. Today's game is called Body Grid. So the first thing you're gonna do is make a little grid. You're gonna draw an eyeball, a hand, a mouth, a foot, a brain, and an ear. I'm gonna divide the class into two teams. I'm gonna have two different colored markers, and they're gonna get into lines. One student from each team is gonna come up with a different colored marker, and they're gonna write one verb in the appropriate column. And then they're gonna pass the marker behind them to another student. So Carson will be on one team and I'll be on the other team. Okay. Boom. Go. Once the kids start slowing down and they're really having problems with finding up new words, you can say stop. Get everybody to sit back down. You go through the words. See, look, blink, watch, view. Oh, blink.
Oh, this is blank, right?
Okay, so I'm gonna erase. This one was first. Throw, punch, wave, slap, shake. Kiss, eat, suck, lick, blow. Run, kick, jog, skip. Think, remember, imagine, forget, ponder, wonder, listen, hear. What the teacher can also do, the teacher wants to give some new vocabulary. They can also write down some new words and explain it to the kids. So then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 for the orange team. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 for the blue team. So for the losing team, if it's a more advanced class, I could have them conjugate the verbs. Okay, if it's intermediate or beginner class, if they know past tense, so I could have the losing team stand up. Okay, losing team, what's the past tense of see?
Saw.
Saw, okay. Okay, I'll just get them to pick any word. Okay, Billy, pick a word.
Throw.
Throw, what's the past tense of throw?
Through.
Through. Great. Okay, Johnny, pick a word.
Kiss.
Kiss, what's the past tense?
Kissed.
Very nice. Okay, and once the losing team has done that, I make everybody else stand up, and everybody's gonna have to make a sentence with one of these words, and then they can sit down, and that's the activity.